Hey everyone, welcome to this week's episode. As we take down the mast, we clean it, and we do some mold removal on the interior of the yacht. We'll also get some time to enjoy the view. We had to put in some muscle into moving this old equipment around, but we sure managed. And a big shout out to Herman for coming out and handing us a hand this week. We promoted Simone. Keep focused, but tell me what you're doing.
In charge of the crane.
In charge of the crane?
Yeah.
Hope you got an operator's license for it.
I don't.
So what do? We put the crane operator up on the mast and we put Simone in charge.
We're powering off into the sunset.
Into the sunset we go. So we're just taking all the gear off so that it doesn't get feet.
Do you guys see how lovely Ricky burnt there?
Got a good tan. It's all about the tan.
Everyone can see your next comparison, so all's good.
Been in the sunbed all day. Free of charge, courtesy of good hard labor.
What you doing?
So I'm gonna go take a shower, and you might be thinking, why am I got a big bucket full of all our halyards and sheets? I'm gonna take a shower with them.
And
saving water because PE has like a water crisis. So my shower water, or partial, whatever misses me, is gonna go into our bucket to soak our lines. So we can keep all of these as spare lines.
Cool stuff, relax.
You guys come and join me for a shower.
Day 152. No, I'm joking. That would have been nice.
Would have been done. Setting sail.
So today we are going to get rid of the mold, or spray the mold at least for now.
Clean the mast. We're going to start looking at the rigging, see what setups, start chatting to the guys for new rigging. So, and then we need to probably get some quotes on 1x19 stainless steel rigging wire. So that, because we're going to do it ourselves, and we're just going to get someone to swage all the fittings first, roller swage it. And so yeah, that's about it. Take off the radar and that. There was a mission yesterday. It was, this bolt was seized on, actually corroded on, and So I'm wearing this funny hat today. Simone doesn't like it, and it's because yesterday I didn't wear it, and I burned a good one. So
I was clever and I put some sunscreen on. I burnt a little bit, but nothing too serious.
yeah.
My legs just are a little sore because I burnt.
That's good, it's all part of it.
I don't know if you can really see it on camera, but that was the part that we hadn't cleaned yet. And that is the part that we had. You guys are wondering what we used to clean the MAST. We used a bit of clean green just to take off the first layer of dirt, and then we used a product supplied by a chemical store called Allulose.
So that's pretty much how we started off with it. A little bit worse in some areas. And you can see there, the spreaders. There were some owners. That's already how it's looking. That's just looking better. What are you doing?
I'm spraying the mold.
Spraying the mold. It's not hard at work. Just wearing a mask on because of the atomization of the bleach particles. I don't know how toxic it is for your lungs, but we imagine that it can't be good. So spray all that mold up so that we can get it all dead.
We thought it would be a good idea to start scrubbing up the deck as she was filthy.
So our windows look like this at the moment, so they're quite opaque and you can't see them, kind of gone yellow. And Simone's just pulling them out. I'm here sorting out, taking out these chairs today. Just had those bases secured on the old one. So taking all of that out. So that one's already out. And opening up these back cabins. So I've opened up that side already. So you got all that area literally. So if we do decide to put in 2 motors, we'll be able to fit them in there. And let me show you the other side. I've got the place in a bit of a mess at the moment. Everything's so chaotic, but we're getting there. See that one I've got open. That is all filled up, and that was all space that we were losing. So we got all of that space back now.
Ricky and I decided to go for a Sunday drive and get some McFlurries.
Hey, what's up everybody? Having a chilled Sunday with my boo.
We're off to work. It's a cloudy, drizzly day. We've gotten some helpers to help us. Tell me, what are we gonna do today?
We're gonna start sanding all of these, like I've sanded, yeah. We're gonna sand all of these, take it all. We'll probably take out all these frames because we're gonna build new ones anyways, and we're gonna epoxy them in place. And then yeah, so sand all the walls, get all of these, the whole all prepped, sand the bulkheads, try and take off all the residues of this liner, take all of that off, and get it prepped to start building new cabinetries, because we got to hold back on when we can get hauled out. So now we're going to try and speed things up in the water, start doing the things in the water, get as light as possible to get hauled out after that.
Ricky insists that these be open, and I'm going to break my ankle eventually. You know that you go working hard if you have to, in between getting out of the gate, eat so that you can get back and work again.
Meal prep, baby.
Meal prep, so we're having some rice, some veggies, and mince at the bottom. There we go. Is it lekker?
Some uli flour.
Is it nice? Is it nice?
Yeah, it's not bad. Show it on the salt. It tastes healthy. Working hard. Phone hard at work. On your phone while we're all sweating.
So I'm in a pickle. I get severe allergies from the dust, and I want to take a allergic or Benadryl, but I can't because I'm going to sleep on the job and Ricky will shine. So I'm damned if I do, I'm damned if I don't. So we got new toys! Some orbital sanders. Stay tuned for next week as we carry on taking out stuff. Meet George Clooney's lookalike. We give you a sneak peek on how far we've gotten, and we stop to get some epoxy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe below if you enjoyed our videos and give us a big thumbs up. We also appreciate any comments you have to give. Please like our Facebook page and Instagram accounts as well as we would appreciate any donations towards our patrons account. See you next week.